Assalamu alaikum, students. Today we will study the integration techniques. There are two techniques that we will study here. The one is substitution technique and the other one is by parts. The substitution technique is some sort of like function and derivative will be together, and there is the one possibility the derivative is in the numerator and function will be in denominator. In this technique, we can suppose it. That's why it is called substitution or the supposition technique if you get a one. Both are the correct way to say that. The by parts is if there are two functions and we need to find out the integration of it, u integration of v minus derivative of u integration of v, and then finally again integration. What is the best strategy to use the u function? The slide. L is log, I is inverse function, A is algebraic, which is called polynomial. T is trigonometry. E is exponential function, which is both of e raised to power x, a raised to power x. Now I'm solving question where these both techniques are applicable. Just see here. The question is power 3, x power 3, ln of x squared. The power 3 is break into the power 2 and power 1. Now suppose t is equal to x squared. Derivative will be this one. Now dt upon 2 is equal to x into ds. And what we have done in the first step, we have just break in this way. Now the question will be transformed. This is a position that we have done here. The first step of the solution. It's t ln of t and dt upon 2. 1 upon 2 will come out and you will find out the integration of t ln of t into dt. As I have already explained to you about the possibility of choosing the light with the help of the light. The u is ln of t, v is p. We need to find the derivative of u, which is 1 upon t, and definitely the integration of v will be t square by 2. Now we will follow the formula as we have already done in the previous few minutes. U as it is integration of v. I'm just writing it directly. Integration of v. Minus sign derivative of u. Integration of v into dt. ln of t dot t square upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 will come out. 1t and 1t will be cancelled. And integration of t into dt is left. ln of t dot t square upon 2 minus half into t square upon 2 plus constant. And this 1 upon 2 that's already lies outside, it will remain with it. Like constant will remain constant. It will be a final answer. If you will have seen here, there are two techniques that we have applied. The first one is the substitution technique or supposition technique, and again the by parts. Why we have applied the by parts? Because there are two functions. One is log and the log function, and the other one is the polynomial function. Thank you. The light strategy is pretty good. When you will see in the next questions that will help you out more.